Hello and welcome to this video tutorial helping you unlock a BlackBerry Curve 9300. Now, to unlock a BlackBerry, you need a unlock code. That's basically a long number. This code is made by us at blackberryunlocking.biz for only £2.49 using your IMEI number of your phone, which is a unique number, and something called the PRD code, which is under the battery. So let's get started with helping you find your IMEI number. So quite simply, click on the BlackBerry key, go into Options, then Device and Status Information, and you'll see this screen. On older versions of the 9300, you just have to go into Options and then Status, and you'll get to the same results where you see your IMEI number on that list. It's made out of 15 numbers. That's all we need. We don't actually need the dots in the number. The next thing is the PRD code. That's easier to find. Just take out the back cover, remove the battery, and you'll find a label underneath the phone. It reads a code that reads starting PRD, in this example 2258-049. Now again, we only need the numbers, although you can write the code as you see it. Now the next step is to order your code. So all you need to do is visit our website blackberryunlocking.biz, scroll down to step 3, and you'll find a form where you can fill out your IMEI number and your PRD code. Click on the Buy Now button. It will take you to PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, use your credentials and log in and just continue as normal. If you don't, you can click on the link below that allows you to pay directly using credit card. The next thing you should do is, after about 2 minutes or so, you should get an unlocking code automatically. The only time you don't get it that quick is when you've sent an incorrect information, or the PRD code is not on our database and we basically have an error, and we need to look at it manually and get back to you with a personal message saying what exactly we need to double check. But if all your information is correct, go ahead and visit your inbox, and in there you should find an email from us with actually 2 unlocking codes. We'll tell you what that is in a second. But the network unlocking code is also included, and something called the service provider code. Now, if you don't see something in a couple of minutes, do check your spam and junk folders. It's likely that it's gone in there. Hotmail, AOL are culprits at basically eating emails into the spam folder. So have a look in there because it might just be in there. Now, how to type this code in? So on a Curve 9300, what we're going to do first of all is switch off the network connections. So we go over to the BlackBerry key, we go over to Manage Connections and switch off mobile network and Wi-Fi, and then go back. Once you've done that, remember, after the unlocking, do restore the connections back on. Okay, then we need to go into the following menu. Go into Options, then Device, and then Advanced System Settings, and then the SIM card menu. On the screen you're going to get a blank screen or something that looks like this, only a couple of lines of information. We're now going to type in on the keyboard MEPD. So we press MEPD. We don't see what we type, but it should disclose a new screen to you. Now the important thing is to see that network is active. This means your phone is locked. But there's also a possibility that service provider is active, and that's what the second code is for. This is known as a mep2 code, and the service provider is known as a mep4 code. Now, to get the phone to ask you to type in the code, we need to type in the keyboard the following sequence. Type in MEP, then hold Alt, keep it down, and press the 2. When you do that, it's going to ask you for your network unlock code, and it's going to look like this. If you were unlocking the service provider code, you would change that to a 4. Okay. At this stage, type in the code that you should use. Press the enter key and the phone should say code accepted, and when it returns back to the screen you should see that network is now either it says inactive or disabled, and the same for service provider. If that's what's happened, your phone is now unlocked. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do give us a like if you found instructions useful to you, and also any comments by any of our customers are also welcome, or by anybody else. So thank you very much for watching. Remember, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at blackberryunlocking.biz you can get your unlock code in a couple of minutes sent to you by email. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.